Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I had no idea that a work boot could look cute, offer protection, and be comfortable all at the same time until I tried these MooseLog work boots. I have had work boots in the past that I have had to struggle to get on my feet, but that is not the case at all with these work boots. They have pull tabs and those stretchy panels on the side that make them an absolute breeze to slip into. Now, like most of us, when I am doing any kind of hard work, I'm just not super aware of where my feet are, and they can be really vulnerable. It is only too easy for me to drop something heavy on my foot, but when I'm wearing these boots, I don't worry about it at all. And they have these great thick treads on them, which makes me feel really sure-footed no matter what surface I'm walking on. Regardless of whether I'm lifting big things or I'm working around electrical equipment, these boots give me a wide range of protection. I think that they actually look pretty fashionable, and compared to other work boots that I've owned, these don't feel too heavy on my feet. I know from experience that an injury while working can mean that I am laid up for weeks, but having these MooseLog work boots is definitely a step in the right direction to prevent that from happening. But that's just my point of view.